Hello, my name is Sharifa, and I think I'm a barista. Baby, Dunkin' and Starbucks ain't got nothing on me. I need to open me a little drive-thru. I feel like the condensed milk is down here at the bottom, but it's hard to tell because the jar is not clear. So for future reference, I would definitely want to use a clear jar so I can see what was going on. But actually I think not, because when I scoop it, it's kind of thick like creamer. And I just mixed it with a little frother bad boy, so I think we're good. I have not tasted it. I don't think I'm going to, not yet. Now this right here, baby, sweet vanilla cold foam. Are we at Starbucks? Are we at Dunkin'? No, we're with three. What? This was from Aldi's. It was $3.99. It says it's made with real cream, and it's made from milk from cows not treated with RBST. So we're gonna try this on top, and then it's like, dang, we trying a little too much, like. And then this is the cold brew. So let's make us a little coffee, right? Let's make us a little coffee. Make a little coffee, girl. Let's kind of do it in this big glass, because we're gonna put the creamer in first. Froth it a little bit, then put ice, then the coffee, then the cold foam. Y'all better get into it, because I'm leaving y'all. Catch up. Cold foam at the house. Some creamer first. And I just feel like it was a little thin, so I'm just trying to scoop some from the bottom. Then let's froth it a little. Okay. Cold brew. Right. So right there. Oh, that's good. That's good. Add the cold foam. Ooh. Let's taste that. Woo! This is a good combo, baby. Baby, make you some cold brew at the house. Then make you some creamer at the house. Ooh. Then go to Aldi's and get you that cold foam for $3.99. We're keeping the coffee habit, but we're decreasing the funds that we spend on the habit. Okay, stay with me. Cause let's go through this. The coffee I bought was from the $1.25 tree. So it was $1.25. That was for the whole pack. I didn't use the whole pack to make the cold brew. Plus, I still got cold brew in the refrigerator, and I still got coffee in the pantry. So we're gonna get multiple servings out of this. Then let's move on to the creamer. The creamer, I used I probably had a little left than half a carton full of oat milk, and then the condensed milk was like, it was $1 and some change at the Aldi's, but I want to say I seen it at the $1.25 tree. Gonna get a lot of servings out of the little pint. I believe it's the pint size mason jar. Then the cold foam. Ooh, that cold foam is hitting. Coffee hitting, creamer hitting, cold foam hitting. Baby, the only thing that will make this more Starbucks-esque is some drizzle. I'm not gonna go back and forth with y'all. It's not an argument. This only thing is missing. Try it, then get back to me. Okay? And about these nails, baby, these two are off. But honestly, I need to leave them off because at least I got two that I can function with real well. Next week, Aldi's got the little cold brew coffee system on sale. Look at that, $9.99. Baby, me, here's my $10. Then not only will I have an iced coffee maker, I have a little cold brew strainer system. And then I have like a little, I have a French press. I rarely drink hot coffee these days. But you know, you have the option. Baby, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Hello, my name is Sharifa. And I think I'm a barista. I do. I think I'm a barista. I've never worked at Starbucks. I've never worked at a coffee shop. I think I'm a barista. I do. Baby, Dunkin' and Starbucks ain't got nothing on me. I need to open me a little drive-thru. What? But y'all need to see how serious it is. Make you wanna dance. Try it.